All for One Steep, Lean Manufacturing, the app for lean production processes in your Cloud.ERP platform. That's Leia. Leia works for a medium-sized company that uses SAP Business ByDesign. The company is a manufacturing company. It is very time-consuming for Leia to work with standard production functionalities in the ERP system and to maintain bills of material and production models. Nevertheless, it is important to make the production of products visible to achieve cost transparency. Leia looks for a solution and turns to All for One Steep. All for One Steep installs Lean Manufacturing app and sets it up for Leia. The app shows a simple production process in the system. With the push of a button, it takes the input materials from the warehouse and produces end products. Production costs are recorded for each unit produced. With the help of the app, production orders can be initiated via sales order or manually. Therefore, lean manufacturing relies on lean bills of materials. With the Lean Manufacturing app, Leia can now make production visible and accurately record costs without having to update complex production models and bills of materials and without having to confirm every production step in the system. This saves Leia a lot of time and the company saves further license costs. If you have any questions, please contact Cloud.ERP at allforone.com.